Chennai. In today's session, we are going to see about searching an element in an array. That is a linear search. Linear search is defined as checking every element in the array sequentially, that is one after the other, until the search key is found. Let me consider an example. Here the search key is 30 and I am going to start from a of 0 in order to search for 30. So a of 0 has 10, so it doesn't match, so I am incrementing 1. A of 1 has 50, it doesn't match, so I am moving on to the next location. A of 2 has 70, which doesn't match, so I am moving on to the next location. A of 3 has 30, which matches with the search key. So the routine has to announce that the element is found in the array and it quit the search routine. Always the execution starts from the first element of the array, that is a of 0. The keynote for this linear search is input array need not be in sorted order. The pseudocode and execution for the linear search. Search is the search routine. Target is the search key in the array A. So let me consider this is the array A, which has 7 elements and the array location starts from 0. Since it starts from 0, for 7 elements the index value is 6. Since it starts from 0, the index value is 6. So I am mentioning the for loop I is equal to 0 to n minus 1. I am going to check every element of the array position for my search element, that is the target. Search key, that is the target. So I am searching 13 in this array. So initially I am going to have I is equal to 0. I am initializing I is equal to 0. I am going to check a of 0, which is 7, which gets compared with 13, the search key. So which doesn't match, so I am incrementing the I value by 1, which moves on to the next location. A of 1. Now a of 1 has 12, which gets compared with 13, which doesn't match, so I am incrementing the I value to 2, which checks for the next element in the array. So now I is equal to 2, a of 2 has 5, 5 is compared with 13, which doesn't match, so I gets incremented by 1, so I is equal to 3. So I is equal to 3, a of 3 has 22, which gets compared with 13, since it doesn't match, I value gets incremented by 1, I is equal to 4. So a of 4 has 13, which gets compared with 13. Now the elements that I am searching for is there in the array. So the routine has to announce that the target is found at the location a of 4 and it quits the search routine. Best case is I have to find the element with least comparison. Example, target 7 I am searching in the array and it is present at the location a of 0. With one comparison itself I am finding this. That is called as best case. Worst case, target 14 is searched in the element in the array which is present at the last position. To reach this place, I have to compare all the rest of the elements of the array and I have to go for 14 at the last position, which makes n comparison. This is what worst case. Now linear search C program. So this is the pre-processed directive, this is the main routine, and here I am getting the array size as 5. Enter the array size, I am entering the array size as 5. And getting the array elements, I am getting the 5 array elements as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 get stored in the array location array of 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4 respectively with this for loop. And this is the key element to be searched. The key element I am searching here is 3. And this is the routine. When I is equal to 0, array of 0th position value 1 gets compared with 3. 1 is not equal to 3, so I am incrementing I value. Array of 1 gets compared with 3. Array of 1 has 2 value. 2 is compared with 3, doesn't match, so I gets incremented by 2. I is equal to 2, that is array of 2 has 3, that gets compared with the search element 3. So the array is found. It prints the element is found at the array position 2. So 3 is found at the array position 2 and it breaks the routine. If found is set to 0, which means that the array does not exist in the array. Here the main closes. This is the actual output what I am getting for the previous written program. Enter the array size 5. 5 array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and the key element searched is 3. 0th position, first position, second position. So 3 is found at the array position array of 2. Thank you.